All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Doc Chelle, and welcome to Dr. Test Prep, as this is the first video in the medium chat units. I'm going to talk a little bit longer. So I've been helping kids for over 20 years prepare for the SAT. I love it. I absolutely love it. I am just a teacher. I don't want to say just a teacher because being a teacher is pretty amazing, but I'm not a big company. I don't have like anything. I almost always have run test preps for free. When I was at a high school in Gwinnett County, we had this big program and our SAT scores jumped like 72 points across. I had kids go from 1100 to the 1300s in just like a couple months. So I'm really excited to help you do the best that you can on the PSAT and the SAT math. Everything on my channel is free. Somewhere I'll put like a buy me a coffee thing. The only thing that maybe you want to purchase is this book right here. It's called Digital PSAT SAT. Technically, it's called How to Increase Your Test Score on the Digital PSAT SAT Math section using the Desmos calculator. The only thing that's in this book are the exact questions we're doing together. So if you are a person that likes to have everything in one place, you can buy my book on Amazon. It's $14.95. Amazon takes like 2/3 or more of the money. So it's just basically you're paying Amazon to print it and ship it to you. And it's a lot cheaper than a lot of other things out there. So I'm trying to keep things as affordable as possible for you. If you have not yet watched my 4 pillars video, you really need to just pause me in a second and go watch that, because I talk about how to craft the best program for you, a program that involves you downloading Bluebook from the College Board site, connecting College Board to Khan Academy to find out your strengths and weaknesses, using the data that you get from Khan. So like anything purple you've mastered, anything orange you need help with, finding those videos from me, because Khan Academy is really great at teaching. But as of 2024, they stink at teaching you how to use the Desmos calculator, because this is the first time that it's like used around the world. So my videos are the same themes as Khan, but with using the Desmos calculator. And about 80% of our questions so far, we could use the calculator for. And I have different ways to show you that you can use it. Each one of these lessons should take you about an hour. So there's, I think, close to 80 lessons altogether. Nope, there's way less than that. Anyway, just go through the program, okay? If you focus just on the stuff you need, you'll be fine. I try to keep most of the videos between 5 and 8 minutes, okay? So if you go back and forth, it'll be much less time than that. The easier topics in the foundations level, those lessons will take you about 25 minutes. These lessons will take you about 30 to 45 minutes. Unless you've never seen the topic before, then it'll take you an hour. All right. I would like to just get started. So make sure you've gone to the description and you've opened up the correct calculator. It's whatever calculator I have in there is the one I want you to open up. It'll look like this. Click choose assessment and College Board. And I will say this every video, because I don't know when someone's going to find our channel and start like participating with us and helping each other be the best that they can be. So, and when I say our, I mean you, the student, and me. So add comments, supporting each other, be encouraging. If I make mistakes, which I guarantee I probably will, just tell me. I'm actually, in a way, editing the book as I go. I think I found like 8 mistakes in the previous 50 videos. So, yeah. All right, let's take a look what we're going to be doing here. Here it is Unit 6, Lesson 1. Solving linear equations and inequalities. Oh, and there's also another video you should watch that talks about more about the Khan Academy link with my stuff. Okay, now we can move on. This is really why you want to use the Desmos calculator. And I am going to take the longer time to show you, just because this is the first video of the medium section, I want to show you the difference. The way that you would normally do this is you would have to distribute this, distribute this, combine like terms, subtract, and divide. Okay? And that's with me doing fast and not explaining it. Or you can use the Desmos calculator. And how I just showed you is how they will show you on Khan Academy until they update their videos. I mean, honestly, our videos are going to be updated probably before they do theirs. But look at, we got x equals 3. Look what happened when all I did was type it in. X equals 3. That's why you need to spend time watching my videos. Okay. Look at the next one. If you had done the next one, you would have fractions. You would have 4/3 x minus 10 over 3 plus 4 equals 3/2 x plus 1. You'd have to multiply everything by 6 to get rid of the denominator. Then we would have to subtract over here. This would be positive 4, subtract from 6. And so you'd get x equals -2. And I skipped a bunch of steps. Or guess what we can do? 2 divided by 3, use the arrow key. 2x minus 5, close the parentheses, plus 4, equal sign. 1 divided by 2, arrow key, parentheses, 3x plus 2. And what did we get? Whoa, -2. Amazing. All right, I'm not going to do the work for the next one. Let's just type it in. We have 3/2 x minus 1 is less than 2x plus 5. Now we get a lot of green, so we're going to just back up and take a look. We notice that we're going to have x in our problem, and we're going to have the number -12. We know that this line is dotted, so we're not going to have an or equal sign. And we know that all of the answers or all the x values are bigger than -12. So there you go. Desmos is amazing. My intro to this video was longer than it took to do those 3 problems. Okay. We're going to end this video. It was page 102, and we'll come back in the next video to talk about page 103. See you soon.